Hey you, welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to zoom in on Premiere Pro smoothly. First of all, throw a track to your timeline and then click here on the video. Then right now we go right here to scale and then set it first in the beginning. And then we click here on this keyframe. Then we go a little bit forward and then select the piece where you want to zoom in. So for me it's exactly right here. Then we do double click on our preview screen, and right now we have here a nice dot that we can put somewhere where we want to zoom into. So let's say I want to zoom in on this nice Photoshop file, so we put it right there. And then what we now can do is we can scale up the scale. So right now we do this. Then we go further, go further, go further, go further, and then we want to zoom out, and then we click right here on zoom out. And then right now, if you go to the beginning, you will see exactly right here. Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to reset settings in Premiere Pro. And to be honest, this is quite simple. Because if I'm holding my Alt key and then... And this is exactly how we can zoom in smoothly on Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.